This skill is to draw an angle using a protractor and a ruler. In this example, we're going to draw an angle that's 115 degrees. So when we're finished, it will be an obtuse angle. We'll do this using the protractor and the the ruler, and the pencil icon. The first step we're going to do is to take the ruler and drag it onto the screen or the box. You'll want your line segment to be half or less than half of the length of the box. If it's too long, your angle starts to be too big to fit within the drawing board. As you can see here, I've got my ruler locked into place. I did that by left clicking, and then your ruler is locked into place there, and then we're going to slide that green line over however far you want. Left click again, it locks your ruler into place. You're going to take your pencil, click on the icon, move your cursor over, and we're going to draw our line segment. Remember, we want it to be less than half of the length of the box or the drawing area. So now we have our line segment. We're then going to take our protractor, click on it, and then move your cursor over. There is a green arrow on the protractor that is the center. It needs to go on the end point of your line segment. You know you're in the right spot when you're at the end and it turns yellow. The line segment turns yellow. Once you've locked that into place, the protractor will spin around, but it will hold that end point. We want to take the edge of the protractor, or the 0 mark, and set it on the line segment. Again, the line segment will turn yellow when you're in the correct spot. You'll left click again to lock it into place. And now we're going to take our pencil and we are going to create a point at 115 degrees. We're then going to take our ruler, set it on the end point of the line, left click to lock it in place, and then we're going to slide it up until it hits the X, the point that we made, and it kind of jumps into place. It also turns yellow if you can see it next to the green arrow. Left click to lock it in place, and then use your pencil to create the other line segment of your angle. You can see my line went a little too far, but they should still accept this as an answer. Just as in paper pencil, you would go back and erase that little extra part that you did not need.